Go to Deliver tab. In here, name your video project. Click on Browse and select a location where you want to export the video. Select Video and make sure to check Export Video here. Then click on this Format drop down and here select MP4. Codec, select H.264 for best compatibility and select H.265 for smaller size, slower export. Encoder, select Auto and click on this resolution drop down and here we have to select this option 3840 by 2160 Ultra HD. So this is the 4K quality resolution. And frame rate, select timeline frame rate. Encoding profile, select high. Keyframe automatic. And now click on add to render queue. And here select the render and click on render. And we can see the video is rendering. Once successfully rendered, I'm going to my file explorer and here is the video. Let's view these video properties, going to details, and here we can see the video width is 3840 by 2160. Means this is a 4K video.